Assalamu alaikum. Today class is how to speak English fluently. So today I will share with you how to speak English fluently. I repeat this sentence. The first of all we know English vocabulary meaning by your own language, making the sentence by your new English word, and use this word for your daily life and make the sentence daily. When you are going to market, trying to speak alone, when you are traveling anywhere, you try to speak in English. That's why your vocabulary, your sentence making will be improved. Okay. Actually, I want to share with you the measure. What is the measure to learn speak English, writing anything? First of all, we have to know English vocabulary and tense and making the sentence. A three is a measure. Okay, you know vocabulary, you know tense, you make the sentence, and when you speak English, it is also working for your level, English spoken level. Okay, that's why a three is important. And when you try to speak English, it is a very important when you are going to school, when you are going to market, when you are going to anything, anywhere, you have to always try to speak English. Actually, your daily life put in your English. It also improve your speaking level. Your pronunciation will be help you to speak English, and your pronunciation will be native speaker. Okay, and you have to know grammar. Almost you know the you have to know the part of a speech, some things, preposition using articles will also help you with your writing skill. Okay, it is a good for you to watching the movie with subtitle. It's also very important. You always sometimes always is not good, but sometimes when you are free, that time you watching the movie with subtitle. You try to English movie with subtitle. It also helps with your English level, and it's also your pronunciation will be clear at the time. But it also take the time, and as a time you will be understand the English movie without subtitle. Actually, you have to create it's also habits in your life and make the sentence. Make the sentence. It is also very important. Actually, when you are writing, making the sentence is very important. There are a lot of structure make the sentence. Example: am to, is to, are to, have to, has to, supposed to, used to, ought to, should to. Okay, it also major structure. I always say you daily new vocabulary memorize in your head and make the sentence. That's you a new vocabulary. You try to make this sentence, this vocabulary using and new vocabulary. When you learn a new vocabulary, it also using in your daily life. It also very important for your life for your spoken life. I always try you reading a daily newspaper, English newspaper you reading. It also improve your reading skill and your vocabulary. Okay, and you try to speak loudly. It also helpful your pronunciation. You helpful your mouth normally. It also help your vocabulary section and improve your speaking level. You make the passes anything. Okay, your daily life. You try to your daily life speak loudly. Okay, and vocabulary is speaking, listening. I am sure I am share you the listening. What type listening it also improve your life. Every day you listening the English podcast, BBC News, and anything's English. You want to listening. It also improve your listening section. You get this English pronunciation, English sentence, English speaking. So listening is very important to your improve your English level. Okay. I always said the five things is very important to speak English. First one, you know vocabulary, tense, and grammars. Tense is major, but grammars also need grammars and make the sentence speak every day loudly. Okay, loudly speak is very important. It also can close your mouth normally. You also speak is properly at a time. Okay, so a five things very important to speak English fluently. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like my video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.